Let's swing over to pro trader Alan Knuckman, the chief market strategist at Paradigm, who is watching the swings in the stock market. Alan.
Hello, Angie. Welcome to the latest edition of Dip and Rip Stock Market. Another 5% sell-off and a big bounce back. We're halfway to above the halfway point of this recent drop from the top.
You have been looking for ways to make money both in the U.S. and in the China market. How are your trades coming along?
The Chinese markets have seen a 30% bounce off their lows in just 3 months. Last week, we took profits in BEKE, 50% gain there. In just 3 weeks, that was China and real estate, two not hot sectors that have stormed back.
What other trades are you tracking?
All right, we're also closing in this close to 100% gain in GSK, GlaxoSmithKline. So we want to follow our strategy for success.
Tell us about your new trade. And again, this stock is connected to China.
All right, let's talk today about our trade trigger. It's Alibaba. Now, this is a stock that is 35% off just this last July high. It's got a PE of 10. Now, like I said, China has started to make a move. This stock's got a lot of upside potential. It's been between 70 and 80 for 5 months. A breakout of that range targets 90.
Alan, are you seeing any smart money lining up behind Baba?
All right, we're seeing the money flow into this stock. So we're seeing leverage, long accumulation, smart money buying there. And we're also saw bullish divergence here with that January low as a sentiment shift sign like we've seen in Apple here recently, we've seen in Tesla. That's when you see a bottom with new lows but not new highs in implied volatility.
What is your options trading strategy on this one, Alan?
All right, the way to play, I'm looking at a BABA call, a July call, has about 3 months of time there, a 75 call. 75 is the midpoint of this sideways range between 70 and 80. So 75 calls trading for about 7 with the stock somewhere around the 80 level. It's nearly $5 in the money with some time for development.
What would be your target on Alibaba? How high do you think that stock can go?
All right, there's an upside gap. So our first target is 90, is the upper edge, the breakout target here. That would produce a 100% gain in the option. And there's also a gap up above at 92 to be filled. And this stock is a whopping 75% off its all-time high.
Let's get your trading day takeaways.
All right, trading takeaways. Trading takeaway number 1. Let's talk about trend trades. Trend trade number 1, we've got the VIX now down 35% in just the last couple of weeks, and it's at its lowest level that we've seen in many, many weeks. So the trend is down in volatility. Number 2, 10-year note yield. We're at the lowest in a month here. We're back below the 4.5 level, and there's now a 90% chance there'll be one rate cut by December. And number 3, the S&P. Like I said, the S&P's had a climb back, and it's above the halfway point of that drop from the top. That's a very healthy sign. Every time in history, it's made new all-time highs. And so we're closing in on that all-time top once again. You can't fight the bull, or often you get the horns.
Thanks so much, Alan.
Thank you.
Go to businessfirstam.com for where to see our show on TV.